Hi, I'm Stacey, the maintenance manager from Eightfold Property, and today I'll be talking about the certificates that are required for a rental property. As a landlord, there are three main certificates you'll require for your rental property. These are the EICR, EPC and the gas safety certificate. The most important of these is the gas safety certificate, which are required annually. Failure to have a current certificate can result in unlimited fines and up to 6 months in prison. The next certificate on the list is the EICR, which is the Electrical Installation Condition Report. This is to ensure that all electrical fittings within the property are in safe working order. These are required every 5 years, and failure to have a current certificate can result in fines of up to £30,000. The next certificate required is the EPC, the Energy Performance Certificate. These are required every 10 years, and failure to have a valid certificate can result in fines of £5,000. If the property that you're planning to rent out is an HMO, there are three more items that you may need to be aware of. The first of which is the HMO licence, which is required every 5 years, and failure to have a current HMO licence can result in fines of up to £40,000 and the repayment of up to 12 months rent. As well as your HMO licence, you also require an annual fire safety check, as well as having your emergency lighting checked if applicable. Failure to do so could result in you losing your HMO licence. I'm Stacey from Eightfold Property. If you require any help with any of your certificates, please get in contact. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.